Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Manjulai Foundation, it gives me great pleasure. To welcome you today to today's important workshop on the Right to Information Act. May I invite our speaker, Mr. Bhaskar Prabhu, to please join me on stage. I would like now to invite our founder trustee, Mr. Devashish Basu, to please present Mr. Bhaskar Prabhu with the bouquet of flowers. The RTI Act is one of the most important powerful tools available to citizens. It empowers us to demand accountability, seek transparency, and get real answers from government authorities and regulators. Whether it's about civic amenities, unresolved complaints with regulators, or everyday governance issues, RTI helps bridge the gap between citizens and the system. In today's session, we will understand not only how the RTI Act works, but also how we can use it effectively in our personal and professional lives. It is my honor today to introduce our speaker. Mr. Prabhu is an respected RTI activist, a trainer and social campaigner. He has worked closely with Sri Anna Hazare during the movement that led to the formation of the Maharashtra RTI Act of 2002. He has been a trainer at YASTA, the state's administrative training institute, a resource person at several institutions, and has played an important role in many advisory committees for the BMC and the State Monitoring Committee on RTI. Over the years, he has conducted hundreds of workshops, trained citizens, and actively campaigned to make governance more transparent and accountable. We are privileged to have today with someone who truly believes that RTI is a tool for citizens to ensure accountability and improve governance. And with that, I will hand it over to you, sir, to take us today to.
How many of them have used Right to Information Act? Okay. Still, it is only 3 to 4% of the. But if you take it in a very larger area, rural areas use more RTI than the literate and educated class which are in cities. That is what is my experience. How many have benefited from RTI Act? Okay. Can you just say, because to get some feel of the audience, it will be much better, what is that advantage that you got?
You receive some reply and whether letters are ignored.
Okay. So replies are, some reply means what?
They are bound to give you some reply.
No, some reply means what?
To what application or letter you are
Was it
getting.
helpful or not?
To an extent.
Huh?
To an extent.
Okay. Any some other person?
So, shall I?
Yes, sure.
Okay, so what we found is that when we were writing the book Absolute Power, we wanted to find RTI to understand the appointments process in the NSC, which we thought was very dubious. We were actually not expecting an answer, but we were pleasantly surprised to get the entire file notings and everything. I think we should find that RTI, and it was absolutely fantastic information, which we could put in the book and prove our point. It would have happened without it.
So, if you are very specific, it's now 20 years. So, सामने वाले ने, the public authority, उसने PhD से आगे काम कर लिया है. You file applications somewhere here and there, and you are very new to it. The moment they get the RTI application, they just gauge you down. ये कितना तक पानी में गए? RTI के बारे में ये कितना जानता है? Your one application is sufficient for them because so many applications they come. Nearly, for example, municipal corporation gets nearly 1.5 lakh applications per year. So just imagine how much they have learned completely, because they have to reply, and how to push you out they know very well. So sometimes you say that some you reply you get. And sometimes that is only the advantage point. अरे हमको एक जवाब मिल गया, लेकिन सिर्फ जवाब मिल गया करके होके रुकना नहीं चाहिए, उससे आगे जाना चाहिए. थोड़ी सी कोशिश हमने भी करनी चाहिए कि भाई हम इससे और ज़्यादा क्या सीखें, और जवाब में एक कुछ सवाल रहता है. That means further you can ask few more questions. It's not necessary that you may know everything. Actually, the Right to Information Act states very clearly that most of the things public authority should publish on its own, but as of today it has not happened. because the citizens are not getting thorough. Even an activist, I would say, that means activists जो ground level में काम करते हैं. It may be movements, it may be like Jan Andolan, it may be farmers agitations, because I have even gone to some farmers agitation to see whether they have gone deep into RTI Act, which is the most important thing. Any agitation, a person doing an agitation means हर बार रास्ते में आ जाओ करके नहीं है. आप एप्लीकेशन करते हो, ये भी एक टाइप ऑफ एजिटेटिंग है. यानी कुछ तो आप कोशिश कर रहे हो कि आप सवाल लेना चाहते हो, कुछ करना चाहते हो उसके बाद में. There are very less. Second is that कि there are very less RTI application which really mean public interest. जैसे सुचेता जी ने कहा कि उन्होंने सेबी के लिए किया, बाकी का इसको वे करते हैं. It has a public interest involved. Public interest does not mean that slum dwellers को ही फायदा होना चाहिए, उसको ही फायदा, सभी को. There are various niche which a public interest can come. So RTI Act अगर आपको आगे लेके जाना है, of course मुझे कभी कभी और लगता है कि 20 साल के बाद में भी हमको कहना पड़ रहा है कि आगे लेके जाना है. 20 साल में बहुत कुछ होना चाहिए, लेकिन हुआ नहीं है. बट 20 साल में गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत कुछ कोशिश की है. दैट मीन्स वी वर एक्चुअली सेकेंड इन द वर्ल्ड. नाउ वी स्टैंड 9th in the world in the rating of our global rating of RTI, and we are beyond 61st. दैट मीन्स पहला हमारा 61st था सम फ्यू साल पहले, अभी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में और आप पीछे गए. जस्ट बिकॉज देर इज वेरी lack of involvement of the citizens is going down. यानी हम एक्ट लाने के लिए बहुत एजिटेट करते हैं. लाइक इट मे बी राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन एक्ट, राइट टू फूड, राइट टू एजुकेशन और एवरीथिंग. वंस द एक्ट कम्स, बस हमारा काम हो गया. ऐसा नहीं होता है. सो यू विल हैव टू डू एन एफर्ट, सी व्हाट, हाउ मेनी ऑफ देम दे डू वॉकिंग फॉर देयर डायबिटीज, ब्लड प्रेशर के लिए वॉकिंग कितने लोग करते हैं. आई एम आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन. सो यू वॉक अराउंड गार्डन, यू वॉक अराउंड pavement, you walk around everything, but what you see, there are so many issues which you can tackle. Like we did, giving a small example about the gardens, we did the social audit, because the social audit is the thing which is the most important aspect in the RTI Act, which is very, very minimal. It is not used at all, other than in some rural areas where in Rajasthan it is used tremendously. But here when you when you do all this, when you go for a breathing place, whether that breathing place is properly maintained or not maintained, which is again given for a third party maintenance. Nearly 258 gardens, playgrounds, recreation grounds, traffic islands have been given for third party maintenance from 2013. Even a small traffic island maintenance cost is given for 15,000 to 20,000 per month. You will not see any. And the large gardens which are there, it is more than 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs per month. Each municipal ward spends around 2.5 to 3 crores per month as maintenance. It is all going from our own pockets. Earlier it was not given for maintenance for third party. Now it is given for maintenance. Their specifications are fantastic. I will show you one of the slide which we did the social audit. Within one year of implementation in 2013-14, then which we did Jansunmai of that place, we exposed a fraud of around 80 lakhs within a year. Only of 4 gardens. One is Bhavani Mata Kridangan, one is Vagreshwar Mandir, which is in Naigaon. One is Sadakand Dhawan ground, which is politically very much influenced ground, and 4th was Dakre Udyan. In 4 gardens, we could expose 80 lakhs. Of course, now even we did the audit of Angarika Sankashti, installation of poles at Siddhivinayak. there is a penalty. It took me for 2 years to bring that penalty. In 2008, the penalty was at 2,000 rupees penalty per hole. We could penalize Siddhi Vinayak to the tune of around 5 lakh for making holes. Of course, later on we discussed, and now later on the sleeves were installed. That all. So what I am telling is, you can also start a dialogue with the public authority by doing a social audit. The right is given under the Right to Information Act under Section 2JI, inspection of all documents and works. So you can do all those things which can be done, but don't try anything which is individual. You will get tired. Otherwise, you will have to be a continuous. यानी सोते उठते जागते हर टाइम आपको सोचना पड़ेगा राइट टू इन्फॉर्मेशन. जैसे हमारे घर में तो परेशानी हो जाते, सब फाइल्स एक दिन फेंक देने वाले हैं. सो इट इज पॉसिबल, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन आपको कोशिश करते रहेंगे तो अकाउंटेबिलिटी, आज़ादी तो मिल गई. लाइक नेल्सन मंडेला सेड, जब वो अपार्थाइड का डोर्स आर जस्ट ओपन. सो हमारा दरवाजा तो खुल गया है, लेकिन आदमी लोग ने आगे जाके कोशिश करना चाहिए, अदरवाइज ब्लेमिंग सिस्टम चलता रहेगा. Yesterday only I got a call कि I want to tell you a biggest fraud which is happening. I said okay. मैं बोला बहुत बड़ा फ्रॉड है तो आप पूरा ताकतमंद से काम करो, आप काम कर पाओगे. नहीं 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 नहीं, I just wanted to tell you, मतलब मुझे बोलो ही मत. So after this talk, please don't send me any emails that there is a fraud. Don't send me a plain letter without signature. This is the fraud happening. Please don't even file an RTA applications on my name with a duplicate signature. So which I have taken out so many. At least I get 50 responses from the public authority that your application which is this. So I had to call back to them. भाई ये मेरा application नहीं है, आप लोग. Please don't do this, because government is very smart enough to amend now. So by taking all these reasons, sometimes we also feel, so don't do anything which is not good for implementation of the Right to Information Act.
Sir, for a novice,
question answers later on.
No, question answer for a novice.
I'm telling you later on. We can discuss that later on. So we start with that now. So basically this is the reason कि हम लोगों को कुछ मालूम ही नहीं है कैसे चल रहा है. जैसे बीच क्लीनिंग होती है, मुझे पता नहीं कि many of the NGOs they do the beach cleaning and everything, but it's responsibility of the that ward. आप उनसे करवा के क्यों नहीं लेते? खर्चा तो कर रहे हैं वे. हम लोग खुद होके करना एक अच्छी बात है, उसमें कोई अपने घर में झाड़ू मारो बराबर, बीच को पब्लिक अथॉरिटी मारे, ऐसा एक मेरा सोच है. समटाइम्स लोगों को गुस्सा लगता है, लेकिन क्यों करना चाहिए? व्हेन देयर इज अ प्रॉपर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन सिस्टम, when there is expenditure done, when there is budget done. So यही lack of knowledge है. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि lack of knowledge मतलब literate होने के बाद में पूरा knowledge आता है, ऐसा नहीं है. We have lot of literate persons, but educated are still less. So you see that ये decision making process ही पता नहीं है अभी आपको. So this is the where the right to information plays important role. Next. So आजकल के टाइम में दी डेमोक्रेसी को बोला जाता है बाय द पीपल, फॉर द पीपल और ऑफ द पीपल. सो एक्चुअली इफ यू ऐड वन वर्ड दैट इज यू बाय द पीपल, उसके बाद में सब लोगों को लंबा करने का, देन ऑफ द पीपल. सो दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन टुडेज जंक्शन. सो टू स्टॉप दैट योर इन्वॉल्वमेंट इज रिक्वायर्ड. नेक्स्ट. Good governance is basically 5 parts. The last is, I give importance to last, that is responsiveness. Today response देना बोला तो क्या है, आपने कंप्लेंट किया तो प्लीज, अगर छोटा मोटा है तो you will be blacklisted. Now RTA applicants are also getting blacklisted. But the citizens are, लोगों का बातचीत कम होता है, इसलिए blacklist भी चल जाता है. One of the information commissioner in Aurangabad, that means Sambhaji Nagar, he has dismissed 10,000 appeals in single stroke, saying that these are all applications are there, they are all to harass the public authority. So 10,000 application with one stroke he has cleared off those things. I do not say that what he has done is right or wrong, I don't know. But out of those 10,000 application, maybe 100 may be good, 200 may be bad, but at one stroke he can't do like that. But it is done because nobody is talking about it. So talk about misuse is more, talk about right use is very less. As per to the survey, it's only 0.06% of the RTI applications बोल सकते हैं कि मिसयूज हो सकता है, क्योंकि RTI के दायरे में ही नहीं आते हैं, ऐसा सर्वे भी है. बट स्टिल द थिंग्स गो ऑन. बट whereas section 4 which states public authority should publish on its own everything about the public authority, that means what is the work order, क्या होता है, वर्क सिस्टम क्या है, इंस्पेक्शन सिस्टम क्या है, ये सब कुछ पब्लिक अथॉरिटी ने पब्लिश करना है. लेकिन आज तक वो प्रॉपरली नहीं हुआ है. दे हैव डन स्केलेटन बेसिस. सो इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ द सिटीजन्स ओनली विल ब्रिंग दैट ट्रांसपेरेंसी. से फॉर एग्जांपल I would say in one bus stop is installed by a public authority. What you feel? Detail should be there. It's a question to you. आपको क्या लगता है बस स्टॉप में क्या क्या रहना चाहिए? अच्छा मांगता है क्या? ओके चालेल. Yes.
The bus numbers should be mentioned.
That is there.
And where the destination, where it is.
Okay. So what you do, that is also so much information of this site. Bus stop, bus detail, timings of the bus. अगर नहीं है तो पूछो ना भाई टाइमिंग क्या है. मॉनिटरिंग यही हो सकता है. So people have to be involved in this. So to that level, right to information can work. Garbage. कितनी बार डेली गार्बेज क्लियर होना है? एक ही दिन में एक ही बार होना है, 4 दिन में एक बार होना है? दैट डिटेल डू यू नो? वेदर एनी कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी डज नो? दे डोंट नो. चलता है, नहीं तो गार्बेज लेने ही नहीं आएगा. हो नहीं सकता है. आप अगर पीछे पड़ोगे, आपके वहां डेली गार्बेज कलेक्शन के लिए आएंगे जरूर, इफ इट इज लेट डाउन इन दी दैट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. सो what is right to information is simple. You ask and reply should come. Whatever is there with the public authority. The public authority need not reply you what you think, what you wish. Your wishes may be too high, but what is in the record they will only provide you. Next. So these are the chapters which are there. There are only 6 chapters which are there. Very simple to read. There are only 31 clauses. ये होने के बाद में गूगल से डाउनलोड कर लेना. आप गूगल में पढ़ोगे, नेट में पढ़ोगे, कभी नहीं पढ़ोगे. आप प्रिंट आउट निकाल के रखोगे, कभी तो पढ़ोगे. ये मैं आपको बोल देता हूं. कोई भी नहीं पढ़ता है. सब बोलते हैं गूगल में ट्रांसफर होता है, सब होता है. आप एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म भी मैं ट्रांसफर करता हूं, फिर वापस आता है, अरे इसका क्या करने का, इसका क्या करने का. ऐसा मत करो, पढ़ लो. नाउ फॉर एनी क्वेरीज somebody calls me, I said please read and then only call. So please download this RTI Act. You get it in Google. You get also many of the advices in Google. PPTs are there in Google. All things are there. So need not think that कौन समझाएगा, किस NGO के पास जाऊं, किसी कोई जरूर नहीं है. Google is the best trainer. Next. Establishes process of accessing information. Now in this, whatever the information is there with the public authority, it is its obligation to give the information. वो कोई भी चीज को ना नहीं बोल सकता है. Your application can be rejected or given information. Rejected होने के बाद में they need to provide you under what clause they are rejecting it. Provides grievance redressal. ये grievance redressal mechanism नहीं है. Right to information, please understand, this is not a grievance redressal mechanism, but it gives some relief to your grievance. Some garbage is not cleared. Now you need not, if you ask why the garbage is not cleared, there is no answer. But if you ask reasons for not clearing my garbage, number of time the garbage has to be cleared, automatically accountability comes. That means there is a specific time which the garbage needs to be cleared. एक बार, 2 बार, 3 बार, 4 बार. So you can ask that type of information. If you are asking for one full road, publish. Basically, as an applicant, the responsibility of an applicant, if you want to work, because you have come to a workshop arranged by Money Life Foundation, so I understand that you will be working in public interest, not much in the self-interest. So the moment you get this detail, you have to publish. You need not, Jan Sunwai is the basic ultimate end of the run. What is Jan Sunwai? Whatever the information you get, you give it to the public, so that the pressure is there on the public authority. Pressure is there on the public authority whether the facility provided is correct or wrong. All those things you can do it. Next. It was passed in May 2005, implemented in October 12, 2005. But still, why no free flow of information? I need not tell much explanation about this. I give importance to public apathy. अभी तक कोई भी वर्कशॉप्स अटेंड करते हैं, मगर वर्कशॉप के बाद में वो सिर्फ शॉप ही हो जाता है, वर्क नहीं होता है. So people need to make RTI use properly. Maybe that if you file first an RTI application, आपको सही एप्लीकेशन करना नहीं आता होगा, लेकिन आप 1, 2, 3, 4 बार करोगे तो आपको सही करना पता चलेगा. बट हर बार आप किसी को पूछते पूछते करोगे तो आप कभी नहीं सीख पाओगे. सो डोंट फील शाइड बाय आई कांट फाइल राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन एप्लीकेशन. इट्स सिंपल. नेक्स्ट. So history and process is a very long. It started from 1999. The government started, but people's movement started from 1985, and we got a result in 2005. Next. So now it is 9th best. पहला second था, अभी 9 number आ गया. अगर आप if you don't make use of it, you may still further go, because the moment, see, government, any government, whether it is present government, past government, or any government, they gauge what is the response from the public. They know the Right to Information Act is the most important thing to expose them. So they want to dilute it. The moment you don't involve, the dilution will be more. Like they have actually diluted Right to Information Act under the DPTP bill. Digital Personal Data Bill जो है उसमें total dilute किया गया है, और अभी rules नहीं form हो गए. Now they are giving clarification that we are not diluted RTI. आज के पेपर में भी है, सब कुछ है, but they have totally diluted the Right to Information Act. That means you may not get any personal type of information. ऐसा वो बोलते हैं. Person, they have included word person. Person can be anything. कल मैं किसी वर्क ऑर्डर का कॉपी पूछता हूँ, बोलते ये तो पर्सन इन्फॉर्मेशन है, एक कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के, so we will not provide it. So that wrong message is going down the line. Next. Why do you need act? Is penalty and violations है, corruption reduce कर सकता है, brings transparency. Next. Fees very reasonable, 10 रुपया ही है महाराष्ट्र में. कुछ सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट में RTI एप्लीकेशन के लिए 10 रुपया है. अपील फीस आर नॉट देयर, whereas in Maharashtra there are appeal fees. In some places first appeal fees are 50 rupees, और कुछ जगह में नहीं है. In central government it is not there. Next. What is covered under this RTI? Basically, many of in the workshops they ask whether my cooperative society is covered under the RTI. Basically that's it, because there are some rifts in the cooperative society. तो बोलेगा मेरा सेक्रेटरी ने जवाब देना चाहिए आपको. For that you can go under the Cooperative Society Act, but you can apply to registrar of the cooperative society, and whatever is submitted to the registrar of the cooperative society, that you will get through registrar of the cooperative society. But if you graduate yourself to argue the case, the registrar of the cooperative society has a right to call for the information and provide it to you. So आपको फिर उधर ज़्यादा बहस करनी पड़ेगी. Next. आई थिंक दिस कॉम्पिटिटिव अथॉरिटीज वगैरह आपको अभी ज़रूर नहीं है, यू विल कम टू नो द लेटर ऑन. What is information? Is all these things records, documents, memos, email, including emails, opinions, advice. Opinions means you cannot ask for an opinion, but the opinion which is already given, that you can ask under the. मगर बहुत कुछ है उसमें. अगर legal opinion दिया होगा, then you will have to argue your case whether that legal opinion given to a public authority falls under the fiduciary relationship or not. बहुत लोगों का ऐसा कहना है कि वो नहीं है, fiduciary relationship में नहीं बैठता है, क्योंकि opinions are given under for the benefit of the public authority. But there are various things. कुछ लोग वो किसने opinion दिया करके उसको masking कर सकते हैं या direct दे सकते हैं. Of course there are many of them who say नहीं, opinion is a so debatable issue है वो. But you may face these opinion providers. Nobody gives opinion on the basis of ऐसे ये वो opinion है public को बता दो, ऐसा कोई नहीं देता है वो. It is given on one-to-one basis or given by an advocate to a public authority on the fiduciary relationship, ऐसे बोला जाता है, मगर you will have to argue your case. So press releases, circulars, orders. Next, I think most of the things you know what you prescribed means जो भी है. I think this is not required. Next. Record means all document, microfilm, reproduction of images also. Abhi recently the High Court has given an order stating even information be provided under the email or on pen drive, because it is not there written in the rules or in the RTI Act earlier, but it is any other electronic form. So it may whatever is there. So sometimes they were to tell कि हम email में नहीं देंगे आपको, pen drive लाया तो हम नहीं देंगे. So there some person went to the court and he has been granted. So कभी कभी आपको ऊपर तक उतने तक जाना भी पड़ेगा. You will have to fight till the court to get something in the public interest. I give much importance to that first, to inspect works, documents and records. You know, after a lot of activists who there was a pressure on the government that inspection be provided. Now there are special circulars to that. Every Monday you can visit 3 to 5 and inspect the files of any public authority. But that doesn't mean you आप 3 बजे जाओ मुझे फाइल दिखाओ. So see, there is a word in the RTI Act, reasonable. It's repeated many times in the Act. That means both the side needs to be reasonable. You have been given right, but that doesn't mean you will be unreasonable. So you have to, अगर वो फाइल उधर नहीं है, उस डिपार्टमेंट ही नहीं है, तो they may tell you to go there, but you will have to. It is better that you inform that I will be coming for inspection as per to the GR which has been released by the government between 3 and 5 for these files. Then they are supposed to provide you that inspection of files. So you can, whatever the local works that have been getting done, you can inspect those files if you know the departments well. Generally, how many of them are familiar with their local ward? Which ward? G North.
K West.
K West.
F North.
Huh?
F North.
F North.
M West.
M West. Any of them? Any more?
G South.
No. Suchita, you should not answer. So, but if you see, still, if it percentage is less. How many of you know how many departments are there in one ward? That means F South ward, F North ward. How many departments are there? There are 18 departments in one ward. So every 18 departments, there is one sectional head. So every sectional head has been made a public information officer. So there are 17. In municipal corporation, there are 1,000 300 पब्लिक इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफिसर्स, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड। तो ऐसे टाइम में हमने क्या करना चाहिए? हमको पता ही नहीं है कौन पब्लिक इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफिसर है। सो यू कैन फाइल RTA application anywhere in municipal corporation. A person from F North, if he stays in Borivali, he wants the information of F North, you can file in Borivali ward also. It's their responsibility to forward the application and get you the information. लेकिन ये बहुत टाइम लगेगा, ये झगड़ा करने के लिए सीखना पड़ेगा, वह आपकी जिम्मेदारी है। इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कराने के लिए यू विल हैव टू लर्न द RTA Act, अदरवाइज आपको दौड़ाते रहेंगे। अरे आज लाइक व्हेन वी गो टू पुलिस स्टेशन कंप्लेंट देने के लिए, आप वो इंस्पेक्टर पहला चालू करता है रोने का, अरे यार मेरी अभी शिफ्ट बदलने का टाइम हुआ है, आप अभी आए हो, देखो मेरे को कितना काम है। उसके ऊपर आप रोके बाहर निकलोगे, कंप्लेंट नहीं करोगे। सो डोंट हैव दैट हैबिट, बी स्पेसिफिक, file an application, forget their cries, you are supposed to get reply in 30 days, that will come later on. So information is the, I give very much important to the, you are allowed to take samples also, certified samples लेना। इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप रिजर्व बैंक में जाओगे मेरे को गोल्ड सैंपल चाहिए। सो प्रैक्टिकल होगा तो देंगे, लेकिन सैंपल्स मतलब कि रोड वर्क्स का सैंपल, सीमेंट का सैंपल, कंक्रीट का सैंपल, ये सब रिकॉर्ड किया जाता है, लेकिन किधर भी रहता नहीं, ओनली इंस्पेक्शन रिपोर्ट्स रहता है, सैंपल्स यू विल नॉट फाइंड। लेकिन व्हेन यू डिमांड दे विल स्टार्ट कीपिंग सैंपल्स, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग। यू विल फाइंड ऑल रिपोर्ट्स, रोड्स हैव बीन डन वेरी परफेक्टली। से फॉर एग्जांपल अभी हमारा बहुत पोर्टल्स के बारे में चालू है, एवरी ईयर देयर इज ए न्यू सॉफ्टवेयर फॉर पोर्टल रजिस्ट्रेशन, यू नो। उसका एक बारिश चालू होने के 2 महीने पहले द BMC स्टार्ट्स, IT डिपार्टमेंट स्टार्ट्स फाइंडिंग ए न्यू सिस्टम ऑफ पोर्टल रिकॉर्ड, वेयर ऑलरेडी देयर इज ए सॉफ्टवेयर इज देयर, बट दे नेवर ओन द सॉफ्टवेयर। उन लोग ओनली टेक इट ऑन बेसिस ऑफ रेंट सिस्टम, बिकॉज एक बार ओन किया देन देयर इज नो फर्दर अर्निंग, सिर्फ मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट देना पड़ता है, दो दे आर हैविंग ए गुड IT सेक्शन। सो व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग, जब बारिश के पहले आप, बारिश चालू हो गया, हाउ मेनी ऑफ देम यू ड्राइव व्हीकल, किसके पास है? व्हाट यू फील आफ्टर रेनी सीजन व्हेन यू टेक योर रोड व्हीकल आउटसाइड, what do you feel?
Dangerous.
Dangerous. Why?
Throughout the year it is dangerous. Potholes are never filled. Throughout the year.
So why feel it dangerous?
Because they don't do their work. The BMC, they are supposed to maintain it.
Huh.
They don't do it.
They are maintaining it.
Not qualitative.
Huh?
Not qualitative maintenance.
No qualitative maintenance. How do you know that they are not qualitative maintenance?
Because then it should work.
Then it should work means what?
It means it should be of proper quality and.
Okay, it might have been done for only 2 days. 2 दिन का ही क्वालिटी होगा उनके रूल में, हो सकता है।
ऐसा तो
हाउ
नहीं हो
हाउ
सकता।
कैसे मालूम है आपको ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है?
रोड का अगर है तो नहीं होगा।
नहीं, कैसे आपको मालूम, कैसे ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है?
It must be in the manual.
So do you have the manual with you?
I have gone through.
No, BMC's manual.
BMC.
अच्छा, what did you find?
No,
Don't feel bad, huh?
There are like specific, no, since I come with that kind of background in urban and this, so I have gone through their manuals earlier. So like normally they mention that the road should be of this quality.
नहीं, normally नहीं. What I am telling, when you move through a road, don't feel कि उसको मैं रिमांड होम में लिया है, नहीं. What I am telling, generally at the last end, what is that you say about the officers? Corrupt. कैसे बोलते हो आप? How do you say that other person is corrupt? You don't have any right, because you don't have any substantiating evidence with you, and that evidence you can have through the Right to Information Act, and that is where the social audit plays a major role and inspection of works. So आप सामने वाला करप्ट है करके बोलना ही नहीं, बहुत बड़ी गलती कर रहे हो आप। हर एक आदमी चोर है, कोई भी चोर है, पीएम चोर है, सीएम चोर है, सब चोर 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 बोलना, अभी तो वोट चोरी का भी बातचीत चालू है. व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग इज दैट कि you need to have some documentation with you. With documents you can get the work redone, which I have done it. कोई ऐसा 10, 15, 50, 100 आदमी लोग जरूर नहीं है. Right to information is one type of an individual movement that you can do it. You can file police complaints. You can file, so many things are there which you can do. It opens branches. So that is what I am telling. किसी को भी आप corrupt मत बोलो. Documentation is fantastic in BMC. अगर आप बोलोगे BMC, I have compared BMC's work orders and other cities' work orders also. It is transparent. The moment you take the work order, in that every clause they have written how the work is to be done. Even if you check as per to the work order, you will be able to save 20% of the budget. Whatever is excavated by the BMC, it simple is that even if you follow that, is the roads will be better or the pavements. Whatever is excavated outside the pavement, it should not be refilled. Simple. वो पूरा मट्टी वापस लेके जाना है, नया डालना है, which never happens. It happens only where the people are. So I wait for everything to be filled. And then I complain, because I take out every processor's photograph and keep it with me, and then I complain by ये trench act के trench repairs के हिसाब में किया नहीं है. So they say नहीं we have done. I said okay, then let us take out a core, and if the core is very perfect, then it is my responsibility to pay the charges. Otherwise you will have to bear it. They don't argue it, they do it, redo the whole thing. So unless and until there is documentation, you will not be able to prove any. So right to information आपको documents लेने को देता है, आप उसके बारे ऊपर आप implementation आप बेहतर तरीके से कर सकते हो. Next, there are section 4 means there are proactive disclosures. There are 17 manuals which needs to be published by the public authority, but we will only touch on to these 7 of it. Balance you read it, because it's not so much of important. Next. Section 4 में the moment section 4 is full transparent, you need not file an RTA application. That much is expected under the RTA Act. But there is very lack of we had done an inspection of RTA applications, RTA appeals in Information Commission, whether the appeals which were done, informations were to come under this section 4, so that there was no necessary for filing an RTA application. So we found 90% of the RTA appeals which were there, they were all falling under section 4. So there was no necessary. So according to me, if you feel at any time कि the moment you have filed an RTA application, this is a section 4 information, please complain to the Information Commission that we are not finding this information in the website which is compulsorily to be published. So please provide us compensation of at least 100 rupees. It is very difficult for a public authority to pay 100 rupees. अब 10,000 पूछो, अच्छा ही है पूछो, मगर 100 रुपया कंपनसेशन, ये आपको क्या खर्चा हुआ है? सब 100 रुपया तो हो सकता है ना एक RTA एप्लीकेशन करने का. 40 रुपया टाइपिस्ट के पास जाओगे तो you have to submit the documents in your work time. That means physically if you are going. Online if you are going, you tell I have to go to cyber cafe. उधर जाके देना पड़ता है, उधर मेरे को 40 रुपया भरना पड़ता है. So one RTA application actually a person taking out time 100 रुपया तो minimum खर्चा होता है. The moment you demand compensation of 100 rupees for per RTA application for the information which should have been on section 4 in the website, the Information Commission also cannot deny giving you the compensation. I think one of the Information Commissioner who is retired, Mr. Shailesh Gandhi, had given for heart surgery 75,000 rupees as compensation in Delhi. बिकॉज पब्लिक हॉस्पिटल में उनको एडमिट नहीं किया गया, सो यू हैड टू गो फॉर अ प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल. सो इट इज पॉसिबल, बट जस्ट 30 दिन में जवाब मुझे मिला तो चलेगा, या RTI इज जस्ट नॉट फाइलिंग एन एप्लीकेशन 30 days, 45 days, then file. No, you learn in that time. You have been given 30 days to learn. एक बार आप RTI एप्लीकेशन करते हो, आपको 30 दिन मिलता है पढ़ने के लिए. There are only 31 clauses. Out of that, 50% of the clauses are not required. That means, of course, they are required, but it may not be useful for an applicant to graduate yourself. RTI आप अगर 35% भी लोगे ना, गवर्नमेंट 100% परेशान हो जाएगा. तो मुझे लगता है कि there are 7 in main important sections, sub clauses. 4(1)(b में 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Next, see, these are the 5 clauses which are very much important for any public authority and people to know about it. Like organization की powers and duties, which is the most important. अगर नहीं रहेगा, you can go and ask to that officer, you tell me first what are your powers and duties. If he doesn't give, file a complaint to the higher officer. I want to know about this, because many of them, every sectional head has an authority to take action on his subordinate, or at least recommend for an inquiry on that subordinate to the higher officer. Yeah, ये सब जगह में है. You go to any public authority, it's very clearly, but they don't give you, and you are not able to take those actions. So उसके procedure to be followed. यानी रोड बनते समय क्या प्रोसीजर बनाते, गार्डन मेंटेन करते समय क्या प्रोसीजर फॉलो होना चाहिए, ये सब कुछ डिटेल है. एवरीथिंग इज देयर, बट इट्स ओनली दैट इट इज नॉट इन्फॉर्म टू द पब्लिक. Norms set to discharge its function. हर एक जगह में नॉर्म है. You can even go to a public authority school and see how teacher is teaching. We have done it. But उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि 100 पेरेंट्स के 100 पेरेंट्स जाके एक रूम में बैठेंगे, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है. कोई एक जाके देख सकते हैं. You can ask the student outside कि आपको सिखाया कैसे. You know how many of them they teach. अपने अपने बच्चों को कौन पढ़ाते हैं यहाँ पे. Anyway, but if you see every टेक्स्ट बुक के पहला लिखा रहता है ये चैप्टर कैसे पढ़ाना चाहिए. If you, there are some subjects, it may not be mathematics or anything, but many of the textbook में लिखा रहता है this chapter ये कैसे पढ़ाना चाहिए. फर्स्ट ही वेदर वैसे पढ़ाया कि नहीं वो देखने का भी आप कर सकते हैं. इट्स पॉसिबल टू ब्रिंग एनीवेयर एनी अकाउंटेबिलिटी, लेकिन कोई करता नहीं है. हमारे बच्चे के ऊपर एक्शन होगा, हमारे इसके ऊपर एक्शन होगा, ये तो होगा ही, ये सब जगह में होगा ही, उसमें कोई तकलीफ तो होने वाली है. द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट डिगिंग आउट ट्रूथ, डेफिनेटली देयर विल बी डिफिकल्टीज. सो इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ रूल्स रेगुलेशंस एंड एवरीथिंग, दैट मीन्स गार्डन मेंटेनेंस होवे या रोड होवे, देयर आर रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन. एवरी कॉन्क्रीट रोड 30 साल बोला जाता है, लेकिन 30 साल तो कुछ भी मेंटेन नहीं होता है. एट प्रेझेंट गव्हर्नमेंट इज टेलिंग आता कॉन्क्रीट करणार 30 वर्षापर्यंत काय होणार नाही, 30 वर्षापर्यंत ते पण असणार नाही, मी पण असणार नाही. सो इट्स नॉट लाईक दॅट. यू हैव टू चेक इट आउट वेदर आफ्टर द रोड्स होने के बाद में हनीकॉम क्रैक्स है या मेजर क्रैक्स है, क्या है वो देख के आप करवा के लेना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, so statement of categories of document by held it's under its control. The moment this is published, you will know what to ask. At present this is not published at all. Any public authority में ये publish नहीं हुआ है. ये आप publish करोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फॉर्मेट में, क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स फिजिकल फॉर्मेट में, क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स एट द साइट है. सो ये 3 चीज आप जानकर लोगे तो आपके RTI एप्लीकेशंस विल बी वेरी फाइन. डिटेल्स ऑफ नाउ सी, यू नो देयर आर अरेंजमेंट्स इन म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशंस दैट देयर आर एडवांस लोकेलिटी मैनेजमेंट. दिस इज वन टाइप ऑफ, दैट इज वन टाइप ऑफ कंसल्टेशन प्रोसेस. but under the advanced locality management, whichever are there in, somebody said HVS test, what, which I know, but there is no consultancy, that has become a complaint process. Advanced locality management, which is basically for is considered to be for segregation on about the conservation, and if they follow that, their complaint system will be, their complaints will be given priority. That is what is the basic structure of advanced ALMs as done by the municipal corporation. But nowhere the meetings happen like that. They happen just, मेरे घर के नीचे लींबू वाला बैठा है, वो encroachment है. These are the complaints which come in the advanced local limit. So that has gone not successful. So if you see, इसलिए अभी consultation process ही निकाल दी. Even now advanced locality management किधर meetings नहीं होते हैं. Only before election, 1 month before that, local corporator or some who is intelligent enough, he arranges 2-3 meetings. Then matter is finished. Once the elections are over, matter is finished. So it happens in, I don't want to name the corporator who has now become a minister also, who does like that, and still he does it, because that's the plan of action by them. So there is no plan of action from the citizen side. How to tackle this? So plus there are 9 manuals which should be there. You can go through you got section 4. If you want to know what is section 4, it is full 1-day workshop. So it's not so much easy so you will have to go through it and you will come to know about it. Next. This is what I told. That means there should not be any need to file an RTA application if the section 4 is published properly. Now there are various things, many of the public authorities, they take meetings, or sometimes you are called, whether it is like किसी का land transfer रहता है या कुछ रहता है, every officer performs one type of a quasi judicial performance रहता है. तो उसके बारे में जब वो orders देते हैं, you need to get it very reasoned order, that is to the affected persons. So that is also one type of a section 4 which needs to be followed by each officer. So whenever you go for a meeting, whether it is public grievance meeting रहता है या assistant commissioner मिलने के दिन रहते हैं, please see that there needs to be a complaint form. There is a circular for it. लेकिन किसी वार्ड में भी वो implement नहीं किया जाता है. The moment you fill up that complaint form, it becomes a record. The moment it becomes a record, there needs to be an action. The moment record होने के बाद में आप RTA फाइल कर सको. Everybody but complaint 3 to 5, 4 to 5 जो timings है Monday और Friday का, nobody makes it a record. So if you want to file an RTA, see that whatever you do becomes a record in the public authority. To make a record, you will have to go. You have to give it in writing. If you discuss something, say that these are the minutes which I have done, submit it at the dispatch department, take it. वो बोलेंगे मिनट्स नहीं होता है. मिनट्स नहीं होता है, लेकिन मैंने क्या बोला, ये मैंने आपको डॉक्यूमेंट दिया, ये है, इसके बारे में एक्शन क्या होगा मुझे आगे बताइए. Unless and until you behave in this fashion, आपका काम होगा नहीं. हाँ, दूसरा ढंग से भी हो सकता है, कुछ चाय पानी खिला के होता है, पैसा देने से होता है, लेकिन कोई भी पब्लिक काम के लिए ऐसा कोई करता नहीं है, खुद के काम के लिए करते हैं. सो पब्लिक का अगर कुछ रहेगा, प्लीज सी दैट यू मेक अ रिकॉर्ड ऑफ इट इन द पब्लिक अथॉरिटी. सो रिमेंबर दैट. नेक्स्ट. So I think this is what I told earlier. They have to publish it suo motu, so that easily accessible to the public. Easily accessible मतलब तो मेरे लैंग्वेज का चाहिए करके नहीं है. स्टेट लैंग्वेज में पब्लिश किया तो यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट. यू कैनॉट से दैट आई नो ओनली इंग्लिश सो आई डोंट वांट मराठी. वो नहीं चलेगा. वो and that is an option to the public authority. But while filing an RTA application, you can file it under the state language or English, that's fine, but not in Tamil, Telugu or all those others. So state language needs to be respected anywhere, any state. Next. So designations under RTI. Designation under RTI is Public Information Officer, which is said to be PIO, या जनमाहिती अधिकारी और जन सूचना अधिकारी, ऐसे अलग अलग जगह में अलग अलग नाम से बुला जाता है. और APIO means Assistant Public Information Officer. But there are various public authorities where the public information sits here and there is an Assistant Public Information Officer next to the table, which is not allowed. But it is done. Actually, Assistant Public Information Officer is a place where there is no access of the government, but there is a government office and the person sits there. He can be appointed as an Assistant Public Information Officer who is responsible to forward that RTI application within 5 days to the Public Information Officer. So, so at that time your information you will get in 35 days. 5 days are added for if there are any Assistant Public Information Officers are appointed. Then there is a appeal system which is there in the later on stage. We will come next. Duties, you know, there are two things in the. One is that Public Information Officer जब appoint किया जाता है, sometimes he forwards it to the other officer who is not appointed as a Public Information Officer, but information is with him. So that person will be treated as a deemed Public Information Officer. So any penalties or anything which are there, the penalties will go on that officer, not the Public Information Officer who has been officially appointed. Okay, next. The third party we will in the next workshop we can take, because it's a long process to explain you. Format, we will go to the format directly now. So most of them you know the formats. No. This is the format, simple. In the Maharashtra there are formats which have been done, but format is not a compulsory one, it's a guideline. Okay, Act doesn't state that you have to make an application in this format only. This is the format which is there in our rules, Maharashtra rules. In central public authority, that means central government's public authorities which under the public authorities which are under the control of the central government, there is no format. You can just write it down. But most of the states have done this format. I prefer supporting the formats, because you are basically specific. Otherwise, you write history about it and everything. Because we had done once the mass clearance of RTI when Vijay Kulekar was the Information Commissioner, and so we helped the Commission in bifurcating the applications. So at that time I saw one RTI application which was 60 pages. So it's quite difficult, to understand what information he wants. So I would prefer the format, and your application should not go beyond 150 words in Maharashtra. In central government, the public authorities which are under the control of the central government, you cannot cross beyond 500 words. But the format of the words which are in the format are excluded. That means your name, address, public authority's name and the address, they are excluded. The subject matter of the information and the description of information should be within 150 words. But it's not compulsory. 150 के अंदर ही होना चाहिए. It's a guideline. So if your application is subject matter of information is say 150 to 200 words, they cannot reject it. So लेकिन करते हैं, कुछ लोग गिनती भी करते हैं exactly 100, and we have seen an application where he has written 151 words का application है, so I reject it. So there are some officers like that, लेकिन आप कोशिश कीजिए कि 150 वर्ड के अंडर ही आपकी RTI एप्लीकेशन होगी. And the third is that the question might be that I do not know who is Public Information Officer. There are possibilities that you may not know, but at least you should know which public authority it is. आप MTNL का RTA एप्लीकेशन होगा तो BMC में आप डाल नहीं सकते, लेकिन उसके लिए भी प्रोविजन है that BMC will forward within 5 days to that MTNL. But see that you at least know the public authority. You take the information that ये public authority BMC के अंडर है, which department के अंडर है, environment के अंडर है कि नहीं. That much you please see it. But if you don't know specific office, say for example you don't know where the your G-North ward is, then you can just send it to the central office, to the commissioner's office. It is his responsibility to forward that your RTA application to the correct ward and the public information officer. The third is that if you can file RTA applications at least in the Maharashtra government online also. There is an RTA online facility. Still many of the public authorities have not linked to the state government's website, but there is a clause under section 6.3 where you file an RTA application directly to the Maharashtra state's chief minister's office. It is his responsibility to forward to the BMC or to anywhere. But again, as you know, you will have to battle it out, because we are doing this, telling the state government to forcibly take everybody in their website, which all need to do now. Send a postcard to the chief minister that please link all public authorities under Maharashtra to the Maharashtra's online RTA website, which is very important. Otherwise, you will have to go on searching the public authority, file it on, you have to go. So, ये सब आप कोशिश करते रहना चाहिए. Next.
So DD is to be attached with this application.
Come again.
Demand draft.
I will come about the fees and everything little later on. Now this is one type of that means sometimes you don't know what to do. So अगर आपने complaint दिया है तो these are the questions that you can ask. If you want, he can forward this portion to you all if you are registered via email. Next. If the application is accepted, cost of providing the information has to be provided to you. Just not that कि आप आके 200 रुपया भर दो, ऐसा नहीं है. They will have to tell number of pages of information multiplied by 2 rupees per page, which is the cost of providing the A4 size up to A3 size paper, or exact, if it is bigger than that, then exact photocopying charges of it, or pre-decided charges. Agar if there are any plans of your building or anything, there are pre-decided charges. That means it is 60 rupees per page, something like that. If you want in BMC certified copy of each page, then there are BMC charges 25 rupees per certification. Now what is the difference between the BMC certifying it and providing you under the, stamping it under the, as provided information provided under the Right to Information Act? In Right to Information Act, it is said, जे आहे ते आम्ही देतो, ते खरं आहे खोटं आहे काय ते तुम्ही प्रूव्ह करा. But when they certify it, 25 rupees के charge में, it is checked whether the information is given to you is correct or wrong. That is there from the beginning, and अभी नहीं, from the beginning. And certifying you some many times they mislead you. As per to the BMC Act, if it is certified, that means 25 rupees per page is taken. The person signing has been authorized to do that type of certification, which can be used under the Evidence Act. So always see the difference in that. So providing you under the Right to Information Act, it is said, it is whatever is recorded here is given to you. Now most of the things have come out after getting the information, finding that ये information तो दिया है लेकिन इधर तो दूसरा ही कुछ है. Like most of the things are happening now in Vasai Virar, who has been taken by ED. वो आधा तो information is under the Right to Information Act. Then it was proved everything, bribe taken, blah blah blah. जो भी है ED matters are going on. That's a different story. But keep it in mind, whatever you get under the Right to Information Act is truth. It is not there. Whatever is there, that is given to you. Because that record might have been done long time back and present officer is giving it to you. That doesn't mean that it is a very truthful information. The truthful, whatever is there recorded as truth is given to you. So you will have to, अगर आपको लगता है कि ये सब झूठ है, then you will have to make correspondences, do your efforts in exposing that public authority. So that's the difference. The moment you ask certified copy, they will, because certified copy देने के लिए अलग एक officer को appoint किया जाता है. The PIO doesn't sign it. That person who does the sign is a person appointed as per to the Evidence Act. So see that difference. Okay. So the last is that कि जब आपको जवाब आता है, whenever you get under the RTI some response, that letter should have the official email ID. No public authority is allowed to have Gmail. Official email ID, that means gov.in should be there at the end. If it is generally Gmail भी आ जाएगा, तो you have to ask me what is the official email ID of yours. If it is not there, please get that done for that public authority. So official email ID should be there, office address should be there, contact number should be there, office timing should be there, public meeting timing should be there, and website of the public authority should be there. This is compulsory as per to the Maharashtra state government's directives, and municipal corporation also it is compulsory. Okay, next. Now if you don't get the information within 30 days, if you don't receive a reply within 30 days, then you have a provision of filing a first appeal. First appeal is within the public authority. That means PIO higher officer is appointed as a first appellate authority. So in the municipal corporation, if the assistant engineer is the PIO, then executive engineer is the first appellate authority. Generally in all the wards it is there. So within 30 days you have to. Now if you don't receive a reply, say for example you file an application, 30 दिन के में आपको कोई जवाब ही नहीं आता है, so then you don't know who is the first appellate authority, but at least you know the office where you have submitted that application. Please don't forget to write a note that you write first appellate authority, then care of public information officer, that same address, and write a note there, I have not received any reply from the public information officer, so I do not know who is the first appellate authority. The public information officer is instructed to submit my RTI this first appeal application to the concerned first appellate authority. So this with one line you can file an first appeal, attach your RTI application done, and the process can be done. Next. So this is the format of the first appeal application to the, if you don't get a response. Now first appeal can be filed, one, you don't get a response, first appeal. If you get a wrong response, first appeal can be filed. If you get a part of information, you don't get whole of information, then you can file it. If you get a misleading information, you can file it. Misleading, you will have to page it out whether it was misleading or not. So these are the any response which has been given with malified intention, like कुछ छुपाना चाहता है या कुछ information आधा देता है, these are the he has hidden some information with malified intention अगर होगा तो भी आप first appeal file कर सकते हैं. So this is the format, nothing much as same as the व्हेन यू फाइल एन RTA एप्लीकेशन करते हो वैसे ही है, कोई ज़्यादा फर्क कुछ नहीं. प्लीज अटैच योर RTA एप्लीकेशन with the first appeal so that the first appellate authority knows about. So when you file a first appeal, basically how many of them have filed your first appeal? Okay, money life वाले ने उठाने का ही नहीं याद. It is understood. So what is your experience? Whoever. Oh, okay. And you can sit and.
Actually, I filed an RTA for some information. I was told that information does not exist. So then I filed an first appeal, and also I did not get a proper response. But then after the Ghatkopar incident, I got a letter saying that information exists. Because what happened in the Ghatkopar...
No. I do not want that history of that. I just wanted to ask you what is your experience, sir, the behavioral pattern of the...
After first appeal, I got a response.
You got a response.
Yeah.
So what did they ask you?
They
No, they questioned you first or to the public information officer?
No, they provided me information as it is.
As it is. Okay, any, I think you got it. Tell me.
I mentioned that FR will be filed on the PF.
Okay, fine. Okay.
See, many a times the first appellate authority is one level above the public information officer.
No, that is the law.
So they work together. He just say I
Please. You don't tell your assumptions. I just want what is your experience with the first appellate authority. That's all. नहीं वो ऐसा होना चाहिए था, वैसा होना चाहिए था, वो ऐसा है, सब we know, everybody knows. But why I am asking you?
It's mixed.
नहीं what?
So
How? See, when you go to the first appellate authority, please see that he questions the PIO. आपको पूछना नहीं चाहिए कुछ भी. आपको इतना ही पूछना चाहिए आपको सूचना मिली कि नहीं मिली. सूचना नहीं देने की क्यों नहीं दिया, whatever the wrong information which was given, whether the whatever information given is right, if it is under onus is on the PIO to give reasons. Do not consider yourself to be answering everything what appellate authority asked.
त्यांनी तर मलाच विचारलं की तुम्हाला कशाला
मी
माहिती?
तेच तुम्हाला सांगतोय ना. आता तुम्ही जे सांगितलं म्हणून मी तुम्हाला सांगतो, तुम्ही माहितीचा अधिकार आपने RTI एप्लीकेशन किया क्यों, इंफॉर्मेशन क्यों चाहिए, इंफॉर्मेशन क्या करोगे, उसको बोलना मैं चूल्हे में डाल के ठंडी में शेक करूंगा. आपको पूछने का अधिकार नहीं है उसको. तुम्हाला काय करायचं, मी 2 रुपये देतोय, मैं 2 रुपया पर पेज दे रहा हूं, मैं उसको जमाऊंगा, चाहे तो मैं ठंडी में उसका यूज करूंगा पढ़ाई के बाद. आपको क्या करना है? आपको पूछने का कोई अधिकार नहीं है. ये फर्स्ट अपेलेट अथॉरिटी को बोलना चाहिए. आपने कायदे में लिखा है कि ओनस इज ऑन द PIO टू गिव एनी एक्सप्लेनेशन व्हाई ही हैज नॉट प्रोवाइडेड यू द इंफॉर्मेशन, हाउ द इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन बाय हिम इज करेक्ट. सो वही मैं बोला ना, आप पुलिस स्टेशन में जाओगे, आपकी कंप्लेंट देने के लिए जाओगे, उधर जाके उसका सुन के रो के बाहर मत निकलो. सी दैट द PIO क्राइज देयर. ये मैं ऐसे बोलता हूं करके बोलेंगे कि आई एम टॉकिंग अगेंस्ट द मैनी ऑफ द पब्लिक इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफिसर गिव करेक्टली. They also want system to change, but there are many who don't want to change the system. They want to continue with it. So there are some, but if you start questioning like it, so don't be a pitiable person उधर. आपको एक रिस्पेक्ट दिया हुआ है राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन से. इफ यू कंटिन्यूसली आप जाके आके RTI एप्लीकेशन ढंग से करोगे, आपको वो ऑफिसर खड़ा हो जाएगा. अभी ऑफिसर उठता भी नहीं है आप जाते समय. So please see that onus is on the PIO to give explanations. It is there in the Right to Information Act. So first appeal, it's a quasi-judicial process. So please understand that don't be एकदम माने हम हताश होके हम जा रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं है, हम rightful हम ले रहे हैं. So as you made the first appeal, आपने क्या, you got the information. That is what I am telling. The moment you make an RTA application, उनको मालूम है. See, just see 1 lakh applications per year. If a municipal corporation is getting, वो officer train हो गया है, PhD लेने जितना train हो गया है. He can write, any PIO can write books. Whereas you are in an year hardly 4 या 5 करते होगे. अभी है, there are people who do 10,000 applications. I don't know how do they do and how do they follow. I don't know. मुझे मालूम नहीं. मेरे को 4 application करने के बाद में भी follow up करना बहुत तकलीफ होता है. So what I am telling, so please see that you tell the appellate authority to ask the question to him, not to me. I am not master. He is supposed to be master in Right to Information Act. So, and you have to tell to the first appellate authority or any, whether information commissioner also, that you should be ambassadors of RTI. Let them get such type of answers. So don't consider anything. आपको चाय पिला है तो पी लो आप चाय, कोई बात नहीं है. लेकिन अकाउंटेबिलिटी लाने के लिए चाय पिलाने के बाद में भूल मत जाओ. Okay, next. So first appeal disposal format should have detailed reasoned orders. Section 4(1) CD में already लिखा है आपको. It's one type of Section 4(1) CD में तो लिखा ही है कि आपको affected person को proper देना चाहिए. If not satisfied by the first appeal, then there is a process of second appeal which needs to be done in 45 days, done in 90 days. Please see that when you make first appeal application, within 30 days you should get a hearing order in your hand. ऐसा नहीं कि फर्स्ट अपील हो गया आपका हियरिंग ऑर्डर आएगी ही नहीं, एक 2 महीना, ऐसा नहीं है. Within 30 days the whole process should get completed. That means you should get a hearing order in your hand. Maximum it can go up to 45 days. 15 days, that extension which you have taken, the first appellate authority has to give you the reason.
But if it doesn't come in time, if it doesn't come in that time,
then you have to make a second appeal. That is what, same as the, so for second appeal within 90 days you have to file. But both first appeal or the second appeal, if you are delayed, then you give some explanation, but there is a explanation needs to be accepted or rejected. That is left to the first appeal and the second appeal information commission. Okay, so here also burden of the proof lies on PIO justifying the denial of the information. Next, this is the format same as the first appeal format which is there. These all formats you will get it even on the Google. If you file, you will get all these formats which are there. Next. So this is what I said, 150 words का जो restriction जब लाया गया, one person filed in the court, the 150 words is not nowhere it is written in the but the state government gave an explanation. 150 words is just a guideline, so the applications cannot be rejected. So याद रखना आप 150 से 200 250 अगर होगा तो ये बता दीजिएगा रिजेक्ट किया तो, वेदर इट इज आपका 500 का वर्ड का एप्लीकेशन भी है तो दिस जज ऑर्डर कैन बी ऑफ यूजफुल और क्लैरिफिकेशन गिवन बाय द स्टेट इन द कोर्ट कैन बी यूजफुल. नेक्स्ट. So that there are section 8 जिधर sovereignty ये वगैरह सब है. आप RTI एप्लीकेशन स्टार्टिंग में कर रहे हो तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये सब इतना डिस्कशन की जरूर है. We can start with a question and answer session if needed. Yes, sir.
So I have a question. See, we heard a lot about the BMC. The BMC Act has a lot of information that should be under Section 4, right? And there's so much of ease in terms of what are the departments, how to file a complaint. has that made it easier to get information? I don't know, since you are also an activist.
The BMC app only has some skeleton information. It doesn't have full information. Like they also have an RTA application can be filed online, which doesn't work only. It's only on.
What about complaints? I mean, is this a better
at present, I have made use of the many a times BMC complaints. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. If they are chronic in nature, वो काम नहीं कर रहा है अभी भी. And actually, the BMC, they'll be calling me after the Ganpati festival. They are synchronizing all complaints. That means I have been following it up for Twitter complaints. That means the moment you complain on Twitter, you get a reply. We will forward this complaint to the respective ward. But in the ground level, it doesn't happen, and you don't know what has happened. So they are. I heard that there is a court order, something like to that means synchronize all complaint systems, so that the public authority, people get a response, whether it is Twitter, whether it is email, whether it is anything. But that I don't think it is. They are just calling me for the namesake.
No, I was wondering whether we can, if enough of people use the BMC app for complaints, then we can use RTI to find out how many have been.
Yes, that can be done. That can be done because in sometime back I had done. I think that was also done by Praja, filing asking for detail. But the problem is that I'm sorry to say that many of the organizations they do, but later on it becomes like a research paper. It doesn't become action oriented matter later on. That means if they are not acting on complaints, then what is to be done, how to pressure them. That is only okay, this many complaints came, this many actions, these many were resolved, this many were not resolved. But what about not resolved? Whether those were of what type of complaint, whether it was only of the garbage clearance, whether it was of the road repairs, whether it had many financial frauds. The financial, I have noticed the financial frauds जिधर होता है उधर कुछ action नहीं होता है. We are happy with like say when I did a social audit of a garden, the people not angry on me. think अरे क्या अभी तो नगर सेवक ने इतना अच्छा 5-6 बेंच लगाया है, तो मैं बोला हाँ. I waited for them to get more angry. Of course, it's not that you need to apply some strategies to do, लेकिन थोड़ा सा सेफ्टी भी रखना, क्योंकि कभी एंगर में मिस्टेक भी होता है सामने से. But when I told them the cost of each bench and cost of bench which is available readily, ऐसा नहीं है कि टेंडर देके readily available है, at that time they got angry on the person who did it. Or it social audit is very easy. It is वो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मेरे को एरिया में whether I know a person in that area or not, it's very easy. I did Sadagan Down. I'm giving a small example of inspection. That open that power. I went to the Sadagan Down. We never knew anybody. So I just parked my car and I started to put up a poster. Prashna Vichara Uttar Mile. Then one person came who was doing a walking. I said, what you are doing? I said, you come round, I will put up a second poster and then you will come to know about it. Again I put up one second poster. Then I told that, do you know this garden is given for maintenance? Yes, we know, it is done so sweeping is done, everything is done. Then I said, this garden का खर्चा हर महीने को 1,40,000 रुपया है. At that time he got very 1,40,000 फक्त झाड़ू माराला. That is sufficient for us. That is sufficient. So he went, made one more round. At that time he told 5 people. तिकडे लेको कोणतरी उभा आहे आणि ते माहिती देत आहेत की ह्या इकडे गार्डनला काय काय होत आहे. He brought 5 people. I told further some few items because we never put up banners at a time. एक ही बैनर डालो ताकि एक ही इंफॉर्मेशन जाए और 4 लोगों को बोले. So within few minutes we got around 35 people listening to us, and they were daily users. On the spot we took a signature campaign. Please, signature campaign सिर्फ signature नहीं, take at least one email ID or mobile number so that there is authentication on getting there. एक genuine है करके तो दिखाना मांगता है. सिग्नेचर तो कोई कर सकता है, रामा उमा सीमा कुछ भी डाल के सिग्नेचर कर सकता है, बट ईमेल आईडी और जब मोबाइल नंबर आता है उतना आसान नहीं है वो हम ऐसे सिग्नेचर के. तो 35 वर सफिशिएंट. Immediately within 2 days the whole Sadakand Dhawan ground was whitewashed, it was cemented, all play apparatus were replaced, everything was done. हो सकता है. यानी थोड़ा सा इंडिविजुअल बेसिस में करने का होगा, हिम्मत रखो कैसे करने का, नहीं तो ग्रुप रहेगा तो अच्छा है, नहीं तो संतोष शेट्टी जैसा भी हो सकता है. बिकॉज मैनी ऑफ द आरटीआई एक्टिविस्ट विच आई हैव सीन, आरटीआई एक्टिविस्ट बोलना आजकल डर लगता है, बिकॉज इमीडिएटली यू आर टेकन इनटू अ ब्रैकेट ऑफ ब्लैकमेलर्स. सो इफ देयर इज ब्लैक देयर विल बी मेल, सो लेट अस नॉट टॉक अबाउट इट मच. मगर इंडिविजुअल बेसिस में मत करो, सो दैट it is if you are doing such type of critical issues like exposing frauds or something like, हो सकता है बहुत कुछ काम हो सकता है आरटीआई से. So see, I am giving you a small example. This is the garden maintenance contract which is given. Okay, now see, this is how we did the social audit of one government. This is long time back. Now the rates might have changed further. See the penalties. Maintenance of, we took out all that maintenance detail. Maintenance of lawn as per to the specifics given, note 1. That means they have given the specifications, how to maintain the lawns. Now just see the rate of penalty, you just see. 50 rupees per square meter. That is per day. हमारा एक इसमें ऑडिट में एक that Sadakand Dhawan ground had a penalty of nearly around 10 lakhs. And at present that new DMC who has been appointed, he said, अरे इतना पेनल्टी रहेगा तो वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्या करेगा. मैं बोला यार 5 रुपये टिकट रहते रेलवे का, पेनल्टी 250 है. सो थोड़ा सा ये समझ लो जवाब देने के लिए. सो ही सेड अरे दिस इज, आई सेड इट इज, दिस इज द गवर्नमेंट, योर ओन बीएमसी हैज डन दिस. सो ही सेड नो, इतना पेनल्टी ये कम करने बोलूंगा मैं. देन आई सेड हाउ कैन यू से दैट. आई सेंट एन ऑफिशियल ईमेल आईडी इमीडिएटली ऑन हिज ऑफिशियल stating that 5 rupees penalty, 5 rupee ticket is there in the railway, but penalty is 250 rupees. So how you cannot reduce the penalty. So these are the penalties. Now maintenance of shrubs. There should not be rat holes in any playground, any recreation ground. All बैठने की जो जगह है, they should be washed every 7 days. Can you imagine? इतना perfect रखा है. आप कर सकते हैं. इसमें क्या क्या आपको कौन सी डिग्री लेनी है? कुछ डिग्री नहीं लेना है. छोटा बच्चा भी कर सकता है ये मेंटेनेंस. हमने स्कूल बच्चों को घुमाया, फिर भाई आएगा बघा, तुमचे प्ले ऑपरेटर्स तुम्ही बघा. इट इज पॉसिबल बिकॉज इफ दी छोटे बच्चे जाते हैं तो उनके माँ बाप भी आ जाते हैं. फिर दे स्पीक. आज हमें ये केलं, घर में जाके बोला, पूरा चौल वालों को पता चला. तो थोड़ा सा ऐसा किया तो हो सकता है, नहीं तो नहीं होगा. 45,000 करोड़ का जो बीएमसी का बजट है, हम कम से कम 10% तो बचा सकते हैं इसमें से. Now see the second, security guard. If there is no security guard, then 50 rupees per day per shift. So when we did, and I'm giving you, these are very paper में भी सब publish हुआ था. I'm telling you, we went to one playground. After that playground, we went to that other place. That same security guard ran from that place and came there. ऐसे अरे तुम इधर भी है उधर भी है, नहीं सब उधर, अभी दूसरा आदमी आ गया, देखा तेरे को पकड़ के रखता हूँ इधर, अभी उधर आदमी को मैं भेजता हूँ, है कि नहीं. Security guard, you know the norms for this keeping a security guard is a retired military officer. कोई रिटायर्ड मिलिट्री ऑफिसर सिक्योरिटी गार्ड होएगा एक गार्डन का? In 5 gardens we found a security guard who was 70 years, 70 साल के उम्र का था, उठ नहीं सकता था वो. 70 साल वालों को काम पे रखने का नहीं करके हम नहीं बोल रहे, हम ये बोल रहे हैं आपने रखा है 50 साल का उम्र, अपने को उतना ही चाहिए, आप भले 70 साल का रखो, क्लॉज बनाओ. सो ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग टाइम, अगर इफ इट इज नॉट पेस्टेड, इफ इट इज द बोर्ड इज नॉट देयर, इट इज 100 rupees per day. Display of name and notice board 500 rupees per day. These are all penalties. I think further is there, na? See, any commercial activity in plot 10,000 per day. Plaza में, plaza के सामने there is a parking lot. Okay, if you go inside, there are garages working. I just brought it notice because I never अंदर जाने की इतना, but my son took once we will go by car. अरे यार go by car means from my residence to plaza वो minimum इसमें होता है, but नहीं जाएंगे गाड़ी से. मतलब ठीक है गाड़ी से अंदर जाओ. Chancellor he took it to that parking lot. I saw so many parking slots, they are used by garages for tinning work. Then while coming out I asked him, अरे ये ओल्ड गैरेज गाड़ियां ऐसे खड़ी क्या सोसाइटी के कोई लेके नहीं जाते हैं क्या? फॉरगेट, देयर वर रस्टेड व्हीकल्स. He said, oh, then he told me while telling, नहीं वो इन लोगों को रिपेयर वर्क के लिए भी देते हैं ना. I sent an email to G Northward. I don't know afterwards what has happened. But जो भी दिखता है आप भेजो ना, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? वेदर एक्शन इज टेकन और नॉट टेकन इज अ डिफरेंट इशू, बट प्लीज लेट अस डू आवर जॉब. Nearly 100 to 150 parking slots have been given for garage work. That means there are no only painting के लिए दिया जाता है, tinning. This is how the things are done. See further. Encroachment, if any, it is 10,000 rupees per day. This is to be penalized to the contractor. It is his responsibility to remove. Composting pit done or not done. The BMC talks about composting, but there is not a single composting pit is there in any town. Washing pathways, play apparatus weekly. These are not formed by citizens, this is done by the BMC. BMC has put these norms. Now you tell me whether these norms are correct or fine enough. लेकिन हम लोगों को क्या मालूम है, एक कॉर्पोरेटर और सम एक बेंच डालने के बाद में हम खुश हो जाते हैं. वो जो भी है, वो बोर्ड भी लगाना अलाउड नहीं है. नहीं, इट इज नॉट अलाउड. ही कैन ओनली राइट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी नंबर. सौजन्य नहीं लिख सकता है, मेरा पैसा है वो. जब तक आप लोग मेरा पैसा नहीं समझोगे ना, कम नहीं होगा. आई एम गिविंग अ स्मॉल एग्जांपल, आफ्टर दैट आई फिनिश इट ऑफ. एवरी ईयर आवर लोकल कॉर्पोरेटर है, अभी तो 5 साल हो गया कॉर्पोरेटर ही नहीं है, वॉज टेलिंग माझ्या सौजन्याने 100 झाडे लावली. 3 years back to that, I had taken out under RTI total number of trees census of my ward. They had given me 1,200 and something like that. Every year the person was putting up 200 झाडा लावले, 300 झाडा. After 2 you can plan it long term also. After 2 years I asked them कि what is the number of trees now? The number was less than what it was given me 3 years back. तो मैं बोला यार 100 झाड़ क्या किया, इतना झाड़ किया कहां से आया पैसा? From the second, third year, the corporator stopped putting up the guard. I said, भैया ये तू नालेगा, मैं तेरा नाम एक्सपोज करेगा. देखने का जरूर नहीं है. It's not so easy for them to say no. He stopped putting up the guard. there was an inquiry on it. Even the tree guards, iron tree guards which they put now, there is each cost they were taken 2,000 rupees. Then I asked them under where all you have installed these guards. So they said on Dr. Ambedkar Road we have installed all the guards. I said fine. So then I asked in the joint inspection, let us togetherly we do it. They can't say no to us, but they may escape it if need be. Then we took 2-3 of us. We counted how many guards there. We could only find 15. They had showed 150. Then I told them, भैया मेरे को बता देना ये. नहीं हमने गली में लगाया, उधर लगाया. मतलब जिधर भी लगाया वो पहले बताओ. Then I asked them, तुमने गली में क्यों लगाया? तुमको इधर का ही कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया था. ना गली में है ना मेन रोड में है. They had to install. First they tried to install just in front of my building. भाई हमने लगा दिया, खुश हो जाएगा ये. तो उसमें तो कुछ नहीं होता है ना. We made them to install 125 guards on Dr. Ambedkar Road. It's possible. कोशिश करो. मैं मेरे दिल से सब कुछ बताया. So this is possible. These are the simple things which are there. But can you imagine a Deputy Municipal Commissioner Kishore Gandhi, I would like to name it also, who is considered a very good officer. At present he is a general, he is in GAD. He said that अरे penalty इतना high कैसा हो सकता है? अरे कैसा हो सकता है? Then I gave him that same example. 5 रुपए का 250 रुपए. He kept quiet. So it's possible to. Now I am giving a small last example. How many of them you have taken Janta Khana?
What's that?
You have taken. Where?
Gorakhpur Express.
Okay. No, on the platforms.
Platform.
Good.
Is it 20?
Janta Khana. Janta Khana. 20 rupees is on not on platform but in trade. But in platform it is 15 rupees. लेकिन कितने जन ने देखा है कि 15 रुपए में मिलता है? नहीं देखा है. लेकिन आपने पूरी भाजी 50 रुपया देखा होगा सभी. Whereas जनता खाना सेम पूरी भाजी is 15 rupees. Recently I was in Kurla terminus. There the board was written. It is written पूरी भाजी 50 rupees. I went up. जनता खाना लिखा है 15 रुपया. मैं बोला बताओ भाई जनता खाना दे दो मुझे. नहीं अभी नहीं देते हैं हम. अरे ये टाइमिंग नहीं है. बोला कौन सा टाइमिंग है? बोला मॉर्निंग में देता है. मतलब छोड़ो यार, नीचे पूरी भाजी लिखा है तो है, आप ना कैसा बोलता है? नहीं वो ज्यादा आइटम मिलते हैं. यू नो 7 पूरी भाजी अचार एंड चटनी. 7 पूरी बहुत होता है पेट भरने के लिए. हम तो जनता खाना ही खाता है. बोला आपको चाहिए कि हम बना के अभी देते हैं? नहीं बोर्ड लिखा भी मिलता है. They will write only Janta Khana but not the number of puris which are there. So force them to do it. गरीबों के लिए ही हम है, याद रखना. गरीबों के लिए हम है, क्योंकि you have come to a level of bringing accountability. तुम स्लम वालों को accountability लाने को सोचना नहीं. वो नहीं कर सकता है. आज का कल हो सकता है. आज काम करके वो कल खाना खाना पड़ता है. आज काम करके आज ही खाना खाना पड़ता है. So you have been prospered. एक विश्वास, अगर आप ऊपर वाले भगवान सबके ऊपर विश्वास करते हैं, आपके ऊपर विश्वास रख के आपको एक लेवल में लाया है, तो इसके आगे आपकी जिम्मेदारी है कि जिसके पास वो सर्विसेज नहीं है जो लिखे गए हैं, ऑडिट पब्लिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन रेशन की दुकान ऑडिट करो. आप बहुत उपकार करोगे. मंदिर में जाके, मस्जिद में जाके या गुरुद्वारा में जाके पैसे डालोगे तो नहीं होगा, लेकिन पब्लिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम आप ऑडिट करोगे तो बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहेगा आपका. धन्यवाद. No, every Monday and Friday, all assistant commissioners sit in the ward to take the complaint.
That's different from Lokshai.
Yes, Lokshai is held at the every deputy municipal commissioner's office and the municipal commissioner's office.
So what's the difference between both?
difference you will have to experience.
The outcome would be the same?
Need not be. In Lokshai, there are various things can be taken into account. But complaint is pertaining to local ward. In Lokshai, then if the officer doesn't take action, you can further it. Lokshai, then it needs to be recorded. Everything needs to be recorded in the by an whoever sits there with the TMC. But in complaint system, you don't find many of the things. They are orally ordered, but you can take accountability by giving from your side in writing.
Right. So number 2 is, you had said about sampling the RTI. So that means that the BMC has taken a concrete sample on the road and all.
It should be on the record.
It should be on the record. That means they will give you a slice of that sample.
They may not provide you the slice of that. It depends on what type of system it is there. If you generally, one of the information commissioner has ordered, once work is completed, you cannot ask for it. Like in Gujarat, it has been given. But when the work process is going on, you can just see and go and see the sample. So sample is a little tricky situation because it need not be on record. The whole thing cannot be on record every time. It depends on various types. Like अगर आप garden में भाई ये गोबर क्या डाला था इसमें पूछा तो उसका sample हो सकता है. लेकिन that's what I gave you an example. In Reserve Bank of India, if you go and ask provide a sample of gold, then it will be difficult. But there is also a process. You may need to pay for it.
Thank you.
So allow me to sincerely thank Mr. Bhaskar Prabhu for taking a time today to deliver this practical session. I would also like to thank our colleagues here and all of the people who have joined us today. So if you have any questions, we didn't have the time to take up them. You can send us an email to foundation@moneylife.in, or you can even use our RTI Advice app to post your questions there. So thank you all for coming.
Thank you.